Hey, what's up guys, Jordan here. Getting started with some farm work here today. We are in the process of moving some equipment around, little Tetris puzzle that I talked about before. We're getting the backhoe out to dig a new garbage hole, which is waste management here on the farm. So we're backing out the semi to get the backhoe out to dig a hole. I'm gonna mow the garbage hole road. After that, got a little bit of combine repairs to do and a couple other things here in the yard. Still gearing up for harvest, you know, probably 2-3 weeks away at least until barley and wheat are ready, but we're getting closer, so some exciting things are happening around the farm. Beautiful day, wind's blowing a little bit, but sit back and enjoy the video. Let's get it going. All right, so that was pretty much just mowing down the road a little bit to knock down those weeds. You saw how high they were, pretty ridiculous. As we drive some trash out there in the pickups and stuff like that, weeds hitting the bottom of the pickup, never a great thing. They're getting tall just like the sunflowers are, so knocked it off the mower, put it down on level 5 on the way there, and then 4 on the way back, so got them nice and shortened. Now we're gonna do a little bit of work on the combine header. We need to replace a chain. Have everything here in the back of the pickup already. A couple of wrenches, hopefully they're the right size. Pliers to take off the chain, and then the new chain right here from good old John himself. So we'll go replace that chain to the header out back. Stay tuned. Come on, Piper. We're out back here. This is kind of where we keep a lot of the equipment here at the farm. A lot of just random stuff out here. First, take a look at these. Holy smokes. Don't know if the GoPro can get all this in there, but sheesh. So what we're doing here is we're replacing this combine chain. So this is what turns this cylinder in the middle essentially. And we need to replace it because it's not quite lining up here on the header. Let me show you what I mean. All right, you can kind of see here, that doesn't look quite right. A little bit off, and this is pretty loose right there. So we're gonna put a new one on and put it a little bit tighter. We'll just take off that link right there with pliers. Should be pretty easy. The whole chain will come off. And then we'll put the new guy on right here. Little John Deere unboxing, pretty exciting. There we go. All right, unboxing time. There's your new chain, all greasy and new. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Wrenches to loosen things up. Pliers to take off the link. Pretty tight. Okay. This thing's kind of in the way, isn't it? I can only do little half turns here. Oh! All right. Boom. All right, got this guy off. Put that back there, pretty much like a bike chain, only it's massive. I don't know, I'm not gonna be a John Deere service call guy anytime soon, but that went pretty smoothly to take it off. I'm gonna try to get that other chain on, see how it goes. So take the special link off of this chain as well, and then be able to put this one on the same way we just took the other one off. We like to keep those little special links in case we need to replace them. They get kind of wonky, but this one has one on it. Come on. There we go. Boom. Hi! This chain is greasy. Lubed up. So I'm about 2 links short here, and when I really muscle it, I get to meet right there. Of course, I need them right next to each other. So I'm 1 short, so I gotta tighten this guy up a little bit, bring this nut down, that bolt up, so I get a little more room to work with. Then we'll get her done. Back to the wrench. All right, got it down even more. Give it 1 more try here. So we got more room. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, got it done. I think the old one was stretched out quite a bit, which this one might stretch out as we go a little bit, but we can always tighten this down more. But that should be good. And if my dad watches this video on YouTube and that's not good, you might want to come out and tighten that before you go harvest. So that's the end of today. It's about 7:15, 7:30 right now. Good little half day of work in there at the end of the day for some farm stuff. Got that chain on the combine, got the garbage hole dug, and the road mowed. My dad's out right now clipping the ditches. End of the work day, end of the work week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Jordan here. It's a couple days later after the stuff on the video you saw. Look at all these sunflowers out here, how tall they are. Something else, I tell you, they grow so fast. But like I said, it's a couple days later and we're out here to chip some trees. So this is some more yard stuff in the farmyard. The garden needs some fresh wood chips. And this is the beast, the wood chipper. Pretty impressive unit. So we're gonna load up this trailer of wood chips, get some trees all chopped up, and that should just about do it for today. We just did a little bit of yard stuff today. Still got the web worms, so trying to get rid of those, snipping some more branches, and then taking care of these wood chips. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some chipping.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on. catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon.
All right, everybody, done for the day and done for another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys all watching and following along with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.